Hello. My name is Sarah. Today, I will tell you about my day. I used many different expressions. These expressions are very useful in daily life. Let me share my experiences with you. I am too busy. This morning, my friend Anna called me on the phone. She said, "Sarah, let's go shopping today." But I had many things to do. I had to clean my room, finish my homework, and also cook dinner for my family. I was feeling tired and busy, so I told her, I am too busy. Maybe next time. We use I am too busy when we have too many things to do and cannot do something else. It means we do not have free time. For example, if your brother asks you to play a game, but you need to study for a test, you can say, I am too busy. This means you cannot play because you have to study. If your friend invites you to go to the cinema, but you need to work on a project, you can say, I am too busy. This means you cannot go because you have other work to do. It is my treat. In the afternoon, I went to a cafe with my best friend, Lisa. She wanted to pay for our coffee, but I smiled and said, it is my treat. This means I wanted to pay for both of us. She was happy and said, thank you, Sarah. We use it is my treat when we want to pay for someone else's meal, drink, or something they buy. It's a kind way to show that you want to pay for them. For example, if you buy ice cream for your sister, you can say, it is my treat. It means you will pay for the ice cream. If you invite your friend to a nice restaurant and pay for the food, you can say, it is my treat. It shows that you are paying for the meal. Let's go Dutch. Yesterday, my friends and I went to a restaurant. When the bill, the paper that says how much we must pay, came, my friend Emily said, who will pay? I said, let's go Dutch. This means everyone will pay for their own food. Each person pays for their own meal. We use let's go Dutch when you want to share the cost with others and not make one person pay for everything. For example, if you go out to dinner with your friends and each person pays for their own food, you can say, let's go Dutch. This means no one will pay for anyone else. If you go to a cafe with a group of friends and everyone wants to pay for their own drinks, you can say, let's go Dutch. Hang on. This morning, I was looking for my phone. My brother asked me, can you help me with my homework? I was very busy and couldn't help him right away. So, I said, hang on. Let me find my phone first. This means I wanted him to wait for a moment because I was doing something else. We use hang on when we need someone to wait for a short time. It is like saying wait a moment. For example, if your mom calls you while you are doing something important, you can say, hang on, to let her know that you will talk to her after you finish what you are doing. If your friend talks too quickly and you don't understand, you can say, hang on. Say that again. It means, please wait and speak slowly. It is no use. Yesterday, I lost my umbrella and it started to rain. I ran outside to find my umbrella, but it was not there. My brother looked at me and said, it is no use, Sarah. We should just go home. This means it was impossible to find my umbrella, so there was no point in continuing. We use it is no use when something is not helpful or when it will not work. It shows that trying something will not make a difference. For example, if your phone is broken and will not turn on, you can say, it is no use. It won't turn on. This means there is no reason to try to fix it because it won't work. If you are late for the bus and the bus already left, you can say, it is no use. The bus already left. This means there is no reason to hurry because you missed it. Fair enough. My friend wanted to study at my house. But my little brother was very noisy, and it was hard to concentrate. I said, we can go to the library instead. She thought for a moment and then said, fair enough. This means she agreed with my idea, and it made sense to her. We use fair enough when we agree with what someone says or when we understand why they want to do something. For example, if your friend says, let's meet at 6 instead of 5, you can say, fair enough. It means you agree with the change of the time. If your teacher says, this test is very important, you can say, fair enough. It shows that you understand and agree with the importance of the test. That is fine by me. My family wanted to eat pizza for dinner. My mom asked me, Sarah, do you want pizza? I said, that is fine by me. This means I am happy with the idea, and I don't mind. It shows that I agree with the plan. We use that is fine by me when we are okay with something and it does not bother us. For example, if your friend asks, do you want to watch a movie? You can say, that is fine by me. It means you agree with the idea. If your mom picks a blue dress for you, you can say, that is fine by me. It means you like the dress and you are okay with her choice. As far as I know. At school, my friend asked me, do we have a test tomorrow? I wasn't completely sure, but I said, as far as I know, yes. This means that I think we do, but I am not 100% sure. It shows that I am not completely certain, but I believe it is true. We use as far as I know when we want to say something we think is true, but we are not completely sure. For example, if someone asks, is the shop open, and you think it is open, but you are not sure, you can say, as far as I know, yes. If your classmate asks, is the homework due tomorrow, and you think it is, you can say, as far as I know, yes. Be my guest. My friend wanted to borrow my book. She asked, can I read your book? I smiled and said, be my guest. This means I was happy to let her borrow it. She was very happy and started reading the book. We use be my guest when we give permission for someone to do something. It shows that we are happy to let them do it. For example, if someone asks, can I use your pen? You can say, be my guest. It means you can use my pen. If your friend asks, can I sit here? You can say, be my guest. It means you can sit wherever you want. It is beyond me. This morning, I was looking at a difficult math problem. I tried to solve it for a long time, but I couldn't. I said, it is beyond me. I need help. This means the problem was too difficult for me to understand or solve by myself. We use it is beyond me when something is too hard or too difficult for us to understand. For example, if you look at a difficult puzzle and can't solve it, you can say, it is beyond me. It means the puzzle is too hard for you. If you don't understand a complex question, you can say, it is beyond me. It shows that the question is too difficult for you.